What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Etekcity, and we're taking a look at the really awesome scale that can measure just about everything you could possibly need to ever measure. It comes with an amazing app. It's a smart scale, so it connects with the smart home, and of course, it will track your weight over time to make sure you are on par with gaining or losing weight depending on what your goals are. You can obviously also go into the graphs inside of the application and check how your BMI is and a variety of other awesome things as well. The scale itself is what we'll talk about first. So first of all, this thing has full-on Bluetooth connection. It has anti-skid padding, so of course you're not going to slip off even if your feet are a little wet after a shower or something of those sorts. There's plenty of space on the platform regardless of how tall you are, and of course the LED display is really nice and it's clear and concise. It can sync with other fitness apps. My favorite thing is this thing can actually sync with the iOS health application, which we all know everyone uses. You can have unlimited users, so if you're worried about someone else coming and messing up your weight graph or something of those sorts, you don't need to worry about that because you can have multiple users and they can just log in with their app and whatever, and it will track it for them. You also have some nice tempered glass, and the overall look at this thing, it just looks so cool with the built-in stainless steel and of course that cool little glass vibe that's on there. You also have 13 fitness measurements built onto this as well. All you do is step on it, it just turns on, and on top of that you're able to just measure yourself super easily and quickly. This thing has 13 essential measurements like I just mentioned. For perspective on how many things it can measure, obviously your weight is number one. A lot of people love BMI, but this thing can also get you in terms of body fat, your fat-free body weight, your body water percentage, your skeletal muscle versus your muscle mass, your bone mass. You can also check protein, BMR, metabolic age, which is really interesting, your subcontinuous fat, and of course your visceral fat as well. So every single thing you possibly need to check, this thing has the capability of doing, all on a cool graph that you inside the application are easily able to click and actually see how you measure up in terms of people who are your similar weight and age at a particular time, so you can constantly keep yourself healthy, pulled in with everyone else at that time, which is really awesome. Setup is literally super seamless, and this thing is as precise as you could possibly dream of. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me live.